Hi, my name's Shelley at Iowa Eye Care. Today with real talk about how to care for your eyeglasses. One of the most important things about taking care of your eyeglasses is using both hands when you take your glasses on and off. What this does is it prolongs the life of your frame and it prevents your frame from stretching out or breaking at the hinge. Once you've taken off your glasses, if you don't have your case, it's going to be very important to always place your glasses face up on the desk or hard surface to make sure you don't scratch the front of your lenses. When it comes to cleaning, if they're heavily soiled with any type of dust, you're going to want to rinse them off under warm water and then apply your cleaner that is safe for all ophthalmic lenses with an AR coat. And you're going to spray the front surface and the back surface. And then you'll take your microfiber cloth or your soft cotton towel and you're going to want to clean them in a circular motion. And the reason why we want to make sure we do both surfaces is to prevent any scratches. One of the nice things about today's lenses is that they come with, many of them, if you elect, come with a non-glare coat. And what these coatings are is they're oilophobic and hydrophobic, meaning that they repel dirt and water. And you can see right here how much it actually repels the dirt and water. And if you don't have your, even if you don't have your cleaner, let me just show you here, is that they clean much better also, which is one of the pros about the non-glare coat. One other thing that's important about your glasses is when you're wearing them is to not slide them up on top of your head. What can happen with this, when we do this, is that they can fall off easily, cause scratches, damage your frame. So always make sure when you take them off that you're putting them in your case.